Hello friends, this is Lindsay for Fontsy. In today's video, we are going to be showing you how to etch on metal to create your own metal tags or metal signs. And if you've ever etched glass before with a glass etching cream, then this process is pretty similar, but there are some differences. And so we'll walk you through the process so you can start etching metal to make your own metal signs. So let's get started.
All right, so first you need to choose a design and cut it into either stencil material or vinyl. This is Oracal 651 vinyl. And remember, because this is a stencil and not a decal, you want to weed it so that you remove the areas that you're going to be filling with the etching solution. And then here's the galvanized metal plaque that we are etching, and you can find this at the Dollar Tree, but the following process can also be done with stainless steel. Just make sure that the surface is clean before you begin, so wipe it down with a little bit of acetone. Then you'll need to transfer the stencil onto the metal. So here, just make sure that you burnish the stencil down really, really well. And then if the stencil doesn't extend to the edge of the metal sign, then you'll want to mask off that area with some blue painter's tape. And that's to avoid getting any of the etching solution outside the stencil area. Next, you'll need to wear gloves for this project. So here is the solution, ferric chloride. Be sure to read the manufacturer's instructions. You're also going to need some cotton balls and a small bowl. What you'll do is just dab a little bit of the solution onto a cotton ball. Then dab that cotton ball over the stencil, and you want to cover that entire stencil area with the solution just by dabbing. Avoid rubbing it back and forth so that you don't accidentally get any underneath the stencil. Then you'll place the used cotton ball into the bowl, and then you'll grab another one and apply more solution to another cotton ball, and you just want to keep dabbing the solution onto the stencil and just repeat this process for 15 minutes. And then you'll take baking soda and pour it over the stencil, and this is going to neutralize the acid. So pour it over the stencil, over the bowl, so that the baking soda gets into the bowl as well to neutralize the acid on the cotton balls as well. And then you'll want to rinse the metal sign and remove the stencil. And then you can take a look at that really cool etched design into your metal sign. Here's another one that I did with a metal tag from the Dollar Tree with this farmhouse style design. And if you like the designs that we used in these, then you can find them in the Design Shop SVG and Font Bundle at Fontsy. I threw a link in the video description to check them out. And then thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.